you ever hired a content writer, SEO executive, freelancer, or given the full administrator access of your website to a client and then realized they actually don't need the full admin access of your website, they just need the access of basic SEO settings? So most of the website owners face this difficult choice whether to give the full admin access to the users or just do the SEO by themselves. Now you might be thinking, what's the problem of giving full admin access to all the users? Now the answer is really simple here. A small or accidental change in the sitemap, schema markup or indexing settings can hurt your SEO, which can impact your rankings. Let's understand in a simple way. So suppose you have hired a content writer. So his work is to write the content and optimize the content according to SEO. So he needs the basic SEO settings access like meta title, meta description and other content optimization SEO features. So do he really need the access of sitemap, schema and other administrator settings? The answer is no, he really don't need this. So how you can manage this thing? How you can prevent him to access the other administrator settings? Don't worry, in this video I am going to tell you how you can just handle the user permissions in the DefiniteSEO's Access Manager feature inside your WordPress website. So without wasting the time, let's continue.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Okay, so before doing the practical for the Access Manager of DefiniteSEO plugin, you need to install the DefiniteSEO plugin for your website. Here you can see the DefiniteSEO plugin is already installed here, both the free version and the pro version. So after installing the DefiniteSEO plugin, go to the dashboard settings of the DefiniteSEO. And from the dashboard, there will be the Access Manager module, here you can see. And you need to turn on this Access Manager feature. So after turning it on, just save the changes. So here you can see the Access Manager module of the DefiniteSEO plugin is enabled now. There is a button of settings. You can just customize this feature by clicking this settings button, or you can just go to the dashboard settings of the DefiniteSEO plugin and click on the Access Manager. I am going to click on the Access Manager from the dashboard. So before assigning permissions, let's understand the roles you will see here. The WordPress comes with several default roles like administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber. Each role has different capabilities and responsibilities. So in addition to these, DefiniteSEO also provides SEO focused roles such as DefiniteSEO admin, DefiniteSEO editor, DefiniteSEO manager. So these specialized roles are designed specifically for SEO related tasks. So you may also see custom roles if you have created them using a role management plugin. But here you can see all these roles are present here are by default. Here is one thing to notice. If you are using WooCommerce, you will see two additional roles by default, Customer and Shop Manager. These roles are automatically added by the WooCommerce when the plugin is installed. So now let's look at how this table works. So each row shows an SEO feature and each column shows a user role. Whenever a checkbox is enabled, that role can access that feature. So whenever a checkbox is disabled, access is restricted. This makes permission management extremely simple and because everything is visible at one place. So let's quickly go through some of the important SEO features you can manage. So here you can see these are the SEO features in the left side that you can manage in the Access Manager. So each of these features can be granted or can be restricted independently. So suppose you have hired an SEO executive and now you want to create his role in your WordPress website. So for it you need to download the third-party plugin, that is User Role Editor plugin. So here you can see this plugin is already installed in my website. So for creating the role, click on the users and then click on the User Role Editor button. So now click on the Add Role. And then just fill the role name ID, display role name, and if you want to make a copy of another previous role, then you can select from here Currently I'm selecting the none, and after it just click on the add role button. This role doesn't exist by default in WordPress, so it's a good example of how you can create roles based on your team's specific requirements you want them to work on. So suppose if you want the SEO executive to work on the sitemap, schema markup, content errors, search engine view, but you don't want him to work on the critical options, then you can just use the Access Manager of the DefiniteSEO plugin. So this gives you complete control over what each team member can see and do. So this helps you maintain security and streamline your SEO workflow. Now let's consider another scenario. Suppose a client wants visibility into the SEO progress but shouldn't make the changes. So in that case, you can allow access to search engine view settings, documentation, points to improve feature, and disable everything else. Now the clients can monitor SEO information without accidentally changing settings. So this was the basic tutorial of how you can manage the Access Manager feature of the DefiniteSEO plugin, where you can just manage all the important settings of your website at a one place. So you know now how you can manage the user roles inside your WordPress website with the DefiniteSEO's Access Manager feature. So whether you are working with a small website or you are working with the larger team, user management is very important, and you can make it simple with the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin. Thank you for watching, and best of luck for optimizing your website.